Hello everyone, my name is Hans, and today I'd like to present a comprehensive review of what we have learned throughout this semester in British and American studies. I will discuss 7 main points and give examples from films that I think are relevant to help us understand the topic better. Let's get started. First, identitas nasional Inggris. First, let's talk about British national identity. One of the most iconic national symbols is the Union Jack, which represents the Union of England, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. Another key institution is the monarchy, especially Queen Elizabeth II, who became a symbol of unity and tradition. However, in today's multicultural society, these symbols are often debated. Are they still relevant? For example, in the film The Queen 2006, we see how the monarchy responded to public criticism after Princess Diana's death, showing the tension between tradition and modern society. This raises questions about how national identity is evolving in diverse and globalized world. Second, sejarah Inggris. Moving on the history of England, one of the most transformative periods was the Industrial Revolution, which changed not only the economy but also way people live. Factories, urbanization, and new social classes emerged. Then came the World Wars, which reshaped Britain's global role. In Dunkirk 2017, see how the spirit of survival and unity became part of the national narrative. These events are key in understanding how British identity and its place in the world were formed. Third, bahasa Inggris dan dialect. The English language is very diverse. We have an accent like receive pronunciation RP, often called BBC English, as well as Cockney, Cos, and Geordie. The dialects reflect class and regional identities. For instance, in My Fair Lady 1964, Eliza Doolittle transformation from a Cockney flower girl to a lady through speech show how language is linked to social status. Language not only communicates meaning but it also signals who were and where we belong in society. 4. Sastra Inggris. Literature has always been a mirror of society. Class of authors like William Shakespeare and Charles Dickens wrote about human nature and social injustice. More modern authors like J.K. Rowling and Zadie Smith explore themes of identity, race, and belonging. For example, Harry Potter may seem like a fantasy, but it reflects issues like racism through the pure-blood ideology and authoritism through the Ministry of Magic. Literature continues to shape how we understand culture and values in British society. Fifth, pendidikan Inggris. Education in the UK is known for tradition and excellence. Top universities like Oxford and Cambridge have produced world leaders and thinkers, but access and inequality remain big challenges. The film The Theory of Everything 2014, which is about the life of Stephen Hawking, gives us a glimpse into life at Cambridge and the intellectual culture. The education system in UK not only provides knowledge but also shapes national prestige. 6. Budaya populer dan media. British popular culture is globally influential. From music icons like the Beatles and Adele to films like James Bond and Harry Potter, British media has helped shape the global perception of the UK. Football is another powerful cultural export. Teams like Manchester United have fans all over the world. But we must ask, does this culture represent a modern and inclusive Britain? For example, Bohemian Rhapsody 2018 show how Freddie Mercury, an immigrant and LGBTQ figure, became a British legend. The show shifts toward celebrating diversity in British pop culture. 7. English Global and Brexit. Finally, let's talk about Britain global and Brexit. Britain was once of colonial power, and that legacy still influences its relationship with the world. The decision to leave the European known as Brexit was driven by complex issues like immigration, nationalism, and economic control. In Brexit, the Uncivil War 2019 see how political campaign shaped public opinion. Brexit marked a turning point in British geopolitics, reflecting both fear and hope for the future. In the end, the study of British and American studies has helped us see how culture, history, and language politics are all connected in shaping the identity of nation. I hope this review helps you see UK from the different perspective, both past and present. Thank you for your watching and good luck to all of us for the final exam. Cheers!